It is a rainy, yucky day. It is just not a nice day. It's a day where you want to be inside. So what a perfect day that I got to do a collab video. This is awesome. I'm so excited. It's my first collab. And yeah, I mean, first off, let me say, hit that red subscribe button, always with the small channel love. And yeah, so this collab is the St. Patrick's Day collab with FabFive crafts. They're awesome. Check them out. Love their videos. And their mom's pretty cool. And, you know, it's just fun. So what I did for the collab is I made a little pot of gold, which was super fun. It cost about, because I had most of the stuff, so it cost about like $6. But it was pretty fun, and so I'll show y'all what I did.
Okay everyone, so what I used was I got one of these flower pots from the Dollar Tree. They were in a 2-pack, which was a great deal. The next thing you will use is green paint. This is just some I had around the house. And black paint, which I had around the house as well. The next thing I used is Elmer's glue, just school glue. That's any kind of glue to hold on the glitter. And here's the glitter I have. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Got a really good deal on it. And Rolos, the gold foil Rolos. I could only find these in the family pack. So the next thing you want to do is you want to paint your flower pot black. Because, I mean, it's going to be a pot of gold. So I quite imagine it being like a cauldron in my head. So that's what I did. I painted that. Okay guys, so the next thing I did is I didn't like it all the way black, so I took a little bit of green paint and a smaller paintbrush and just painted around the top like rim of the flower pot, which I thought made it look more like St. Patrick's Day and made it just, you know, just a little bit of pop of color, and I think it looked really cute. The next thing I did is I can't draw, so I looked up a shamrock silhouette on my phone, saved it, traced it, and cut it out, and I stenciled it on. And then the next thing, once I used it as a stencil, is I glued it. My glue is glue that I had, so it's old, so if you notice me like having major trouble with it, and then sprinkle the glitter on. I use an obsessive amount of glitter, and there it is. It's the finished product. The next thing you'll do is you will fill it up with your Rolos, your gold, if you will, and yeah, I mean, it's so cute. I just want to thank everyone for watching. You need to go check out FabFive Crafts. Come on, and just make this, and if you make this, please send me pictures. I would love to see it, or make a video. And if you want to do this collab, talk to FabFive Crafts. And until next time, bye everyone.